Hello Fanatics! With our review of Atomic Blonde coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy! John Wick is an action thriller directed by Chad Stahelski and David Leitch, starring Keanu Reeves, Michael Nyqvist, and Alfie Allen. It follows the story of an ex-hitman who is forced out of retirement after a group of gangsters take everything from him. This film has similar action, tone, and has the same director. There is extremely graphic violence and intense scenes throughout. Femme, Nikita is an action thriller directed by Luc Besson, starring Anne Perrault, Marc Duray, and Patrick Fontana. It follows the story of Nikita, a convicted felon, who is given a new identity and trained as a ruthless assassin. This film has similar action, tone, and a female protagonist. There is mild nudity and graphic violence throughout. The Bourne Identity is an action thriller directed by Doug Liman, starring Matt Damon, Franka Potente, and Chris Cooper. It follows the story of CIA agent Jason Bourne, who must evade the very program he was a part of while regaining memories of his life as a trained killer. This film has similar action and tone. There is extremely graphic violence and intense scenes throughout. The Man from U.N.C.L.E. is an action comedy directed by Guy Ritchie, starring Henry Cavill, Armie Hammer, and Alicia Vikander. It follows the story of a CIA agent and KGB operative who, during the Cold War, go on a joint mission to stop a criminal organization seeking nuclear weapons. This film has similar action and Cold War themes. There are some violent scenes throughout. U.N.C.L.E. is an action thriller directed by Phillips, starring Angelina Jolie, Liev Schreiber, and Chiwetel Ejiofor. It follows the story of a CIA agent who becomes a fugitive when a defector names her as a Russian spy. This film has similar action, tone, and a female protagonist. There are many violent scenes throughout. Hopefully you liked some of these films just as much as you did Atomic Blonde. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the film Atomic Blonde. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. And until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.